If you want to learn, paint, earn through Arabic calligraphy, you are at the right place. But for that, you need to invest some of your time in learning the basics, that is, how to write the Arabic calligraphy letters. And I'm here to help. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to art.bimble, where I provide you with art related tips and tricks, some art stories to make your journey easier. Happy learning with art.bimble. Okay, so let's do this. 3, 2, 1. In this video, we will cover fa, qaf, and waw. Also, for the previous letters, check out the playlist given in the top right corner. I'd suggest to watch all those before jumping to this one. For fa, you have to make 2 nuqtas horizontally and then you will make 2 nuqtas vertically. I'm kinda hoping you already know it's nuqaat and not nuqtas. It's just, I like calling it that way. Anyway, the first stroke is this one, and then you've got the second stroke like this. Let me repeat it. This kind of wave you're making for first wave, then this is the second one. It's kind of a dome, but the curvature is not symmetric. You have to make it more dome shaped towards the left. So like go up till the first horizontal nuqta, and then from second horizontal nuqta come downwards till you reach the second vertical nuqta. Like you have to move it towards vertical nuqtas. Okay, so here we have 1 nuqta, and then we have around 5 nuqtas or nuqaat horizontally. And then from half the nuqta we go 1 nuqta downwards, and then we do our third stroke. And 1 nuqta on top of it will make it fa. This third stroke has been subdivided into 3 parts. This is the first one, second one, and the third. This is just like you have to write ba. I don't remember if I made it clear there, but yeah, ba is having 3 parts: the initiation part, the middle part, and the last curved one. Repeat the first 2 strokes according to approximation, and yeah, you're done. This is the third one. Finally, the time for without nuqtas, my favorite. It's all about approximations, and just do it like you did with nuqtas, but you don't have to be so much precise. You can always mend your mistakes, and yeah, you're done. Then a bit of extra if you like it. This is how we do it. Whoopsie, it's out of frame. Sorry for this, but I guess you got the idea. Anyway, with nuqtas, we are moving on towards waw. Similar to fa, 2 nuqtas horizontal and then 2 nuqtas vertical. First 2 strokes are similar to fa, so the first one and the second one. Now for the third one, what we have to do, and the same 1 nuqta. Then what we have to do for the third stroke, we have to make 2 vertical nuqtas, and then we will do what we did with ra. That's the reason I told you to watch the first videos like the previous ones. And this is your third stroke. Now without nuqtas. There are other forms, other fonts. We can do that in some other video, but yeah, this is one of them. Let's do qaf now. The first 2 strokes are similar to waw and fa. Now we have to change the third stroke. For fa we had 5 nuqtas. For qaf it's 3 nuqtas. From half nuqta here we have 1.5 nuqta down. Again, the third stroke has 3 parts: first, second, and the third one. A nuqta here will give us the idea for the length of the last stroke. Now time for without nuqtas. Oh, I forgot. Put 2 nuqtas on top to make qaf. Without nuqtas, without measurements. It's all about making it look similar and also pleasing to look at. Do not go far beyond measurements, it won't look good. I guess it's enough for today. Next letters for next time. Till then, practice all this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, fi amanillah.